Hi guys, it's me, Juha. So, I've seen some comments on Lord Hair's TikTok according to hair systems. And yeah, I bet there is like million questions that you can ask, but actually it's the easiest thing that you can purchase for yourself to make you feel like you again. So, let's see some comments and hopefully I'll be getting some info for you, so it will help your decision to purchase your own first hair system. So let's go! So one is actually about, is it hot to wear? Yeah, well, no. Actually, it depends. Yeah, if you're having a skin-based system, it's way more warm than a lace-based system. But it's never hot, so you will be fine even though it's summer or so. I've heard, one comment is, I actually have heard that hair systems can come off easily. No, they don't. They will stay on your place when it's windy or something, or if you're scared like windy weather, it will stay on. So you don't need to worry about that. Or swimming, or being in a public shower or anything like that, it will stay on and it will not fall off and show your baldness. Well, that could be kind of fun, but yeah, that's not going to happen with the right tapes and or hair glues, whatever you choose to use. Why don't you choose a pushed back style? Well, I don't think that pushed back is suitable for everyone, so actually I think that short bangs or something like this is suitable for my face frame, so yeah, I don't think that is for everyone, and I like it like this. And one question I get asked most is that a daily routine? No, in every video it's said to be done and removed every second or third week. So no daily routine to remove these. Yeah, you can wash these once or twice a week, and it's good for the hair to wash it in cold water while in shower. So yeah, but do not remove this that often. It would be too much work for me to use these if they should be removed all the time. So no removing all the time. And the last one is it hard to maintain? No, it's not. You just need proper shampoos and conditioners and white tooth comb. So that's all you need and you will be fine with it. But yeah, thanks all the questions. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.